And welcome to our Cosmology segment. Thanks for tuning in. Congratulations on realizing the existence of our channel. Let's do it. So this is what the sun is going to look like when it murders us. Just kidding, folks. It's the astronomy picture of the day, yes. So if you head to apod.nasa.gov, you'll get to the astronomy picture of the day. And this is an experiment in space. This is what fire looks like in space, folks. Yeah. Lots of circles are produced. Fires are teardrops shaped on Earth, and it has to do with things like convection and gravity. In microgravity, it's a whole different story. And I'll just scroll down so you can read the caption. Feel free to pause the video. We don't want to spend too much time on that. And again, I would invite everybody to Mensa. Very important, to Mensa. Make Earth not suck again. It's up to you. And that's why our featured merch is the Make Earth Not Suck Again hat. Yeah, Mensa. For real. So check that out. Maybe pick up some merch thanks to our viewers who have done so. It helps us out a lot. And the print quality is spectacular. You can find links to that at smashomash.com. Smashomash.org will redirect you. Our social media is there. If you click that link right there, smAsho merch, you can also find it at the bottom of the page. It'll send you to our Redbubble shop. We've got some new designs there. Resistance is fertile. Respect existence or expect resistance. You can also find links to our Discord channel there. You need an invite. And we've just put up an image of a solar crown prominence. Today's random number is 49, which coincides with HD 8357, which is good question. What is it? It's an X-ray binary. That's what it is. And here's the 16-year chart. You can see it's a quite consistent X-ray source. It doesn't really have any sort of cyclicity to it. It's just fairly consistent. Here's a 30-day chart of HD 8357. And let's take a couple looks at this in some different wavelengths. Here it is in infrared. So this is on the 2MASS. University of Massachusetts project in the infrared spectra. And moving up the electromagnetic spectrum, next we'll go to pan-stars and take a look at this in optical bands. There it is on pan-stars. The high-resolution optical survey. Next we'll take a look at it in ultraviolet, which gives us some great insight into the plasmasphere around this X-ray binary. You can see it's quite irregularly shaped there, giving us some indication into the positioning of the binary. Two stars orbiting each other. And last, here's a false color image in X-ray of HD 8357, which is the 49th entry on the Neil Gorels. Look up your favorite objects there. For example, if you want to see Sagittarius A star, just type SGR space A, and entry 705 is the core of the Milky Way galaxy, the massive radio source known as Sagittarius A star. And I'm just checking the life of the stream here. Please bear with me. There are the X-ray transient outputs from the core of the Milky Way galaxy, Sagittarius A star. $15 new variables discovered in NGC 247. And they're all different types. There are Cepheids, there are blue variables, there are some binaries. And if you want to read about that, check out the article on phys.org in the Astronomy and Space section about NGC 247, a galaxy located at about 11 million light years. So we've got some periodic and non-periodic variables in there using the Gemini Multi-Object Spectrograph, or GMOS. So this is a southern galaxy. And yeah, so during a 7-month period in 2008 and 2009, geez, there's so much data available right now, folks. We don't have enough people to review all the data. And we've got all kinds of semi-regular variable giants of late spectral class M, C, and S. Some of them are Cepheid variables. 5 variables with intrinsic red visible/red brightnesses and colors similar to those of luminous blue variables. 3 fainter blue variables, one of which may be a non-eclipsing close binary system. There are the 15 variables discovered in NGC 247. Phys.org's Astronomy and Space section has an article about that. Have you heard about the Venus flybys? Yeah, there are 2 Venus flybys occurring in about 33-hour span of time between the 8th and today. So if you want to read about that, just head to ESA.int, the European Space Agency's homepage, and you'll find links right on the homepage about that. So Venus has been my favorite planet since the mid-90s, I guess. And yeah, it's interesting for various reasons in that it behaves in strange ways. I mean, let's face it, it rotates the wrong way, and it's a weird planet. It doesn't fit into sort of the classical model of how the solar system formed, and that's created a lot of theories as to what's up with Venus. How did it do that? Was it from a collision? Was Venus originally a comet? That's one of the more out there theories. And I'm sure there'll be some fantastic data coming out about this soon, as these 2 different gravity assists, both Bepi-Colombo and the Solar Orbiter, making gravity assists around Jupiter. I don't know why I've got so many links open there, but that's today's Cosmology segment. And thanks everybody for tuning in. Don't forget to press like and subscribe if you enjoy the content. I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. smAsho, signing off from the Smash News Network, Least Busted. Name it News.